Bacterial products can impact viral infectivity. Surfactin, a cyclic lipopeptide with membrane disruptive properties produced by Bacillus subtilis, disrupts coronavirus virion integrity and impairs the infectivity of several enveloped viruses, including Chikungunya, Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever, Dugbe, Ebola, IAV, Mayaro, Nipah, and Zika. It is conceivable that as-yet-unidentified metabolites and natural products produced by the bacterial component of the microbiota impact viral infectivity. The interest in the field of beneficial microbes has emerged multiple folds since its inception by the Russian Nobel laureate, Elie Metchnikoff. The term probiotics, taken as an unchallenged synonym to beneficial microbes, has gained popularity over the years and has found application in several general health and clinical scenarios. Bacillus, genus Bacillus, are any of a group of rod-shaped, gram-positive, aerobic or, under some conditions, anaerobic bacteria widely found in soil and water. The term bacillus has been applied in a general sense to all cylindrical or rod-like bacteria. Bacillus subtilis is a probiotic bacteria strain to support natural defenses. Has immunostimulant properties, improving natural defenses. Helps in the fight against infections and external aggressions. Some fermented foods contain strains of Bacillus subtilis like miso dawa. Miso is a traditional Japanese paste of fermented soybean used to make miso soup. Miso is produced by fermenting soybeans with koji, produced from a mold Aspergillus oryzae, although Saccharomyces cerevisiae and lactic acid bacteria may additionally be used. Dawa, in West Africa especially in Ghana, Netutu, in Senegal, is a popular African alkaline fermented food condiment produced from the African locust beans, Parkia biglobasa. Bacillus subtilis can be found too as sold commercial probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms, which when administered in adequate amounts confer health benefits to the host. FAO/WHO, 2002. Probiotic formulations are being developed and standardized for both human and animal consumption. Different dairy/functional foods/dietary supplements and pharma formulations harbor probiotic strains, intended for various health benefits in humans. Probiotics have also found application in animal feed for prevention of gastrointestinal infections, with extensive use in the poultry and aquaculture industries. Hong et al., 2005. The consumer awareness, search for alternate, safe, and cost-effective treatments, and concern of developing antibiotic resistance has compelled researchers to find an alternate to ongoing therapeutic regimes, mainly dependent over antibiotics. Among the large number of suggested options, probiotic therapy seems to be the most viable one, with long history of consumption and assured safety. Lab and Bifidobacterium species are the two globally recognized groups of bacteria that are being consumed for their potential health benefits. Other preferred bacteria include strains of Enterococcus, Streptococcus, and Bacillus spp. Majid et al., 2016, along with few strains of Saccharomyces spp. Several reference probiotic strains have been shown to play a potential role in management of several clinical scenarios viz. Diarrhea, inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer etc. Malappa et al., 2012, Panwar et al., 2014, 2016, Ranji et al., 2015. It has been clearly understood that the gut inhabitants and their proper balance is the foremost criteria that determines healthy status, particularly in terms of metabolic disorders. Wang et al., 2015. Research updates from several in vivo, Ellikild et al., 2014, and human clinical trials, Shimizu et al., 2013, Scott et al., 2015, supports the hypothesis that any strategies targeting the recustomization of the gut inhabitants can help in reverting back to normal healthy phenotype. Spore-forming bacilli are being explored for the production and preservation of food for many centuries. The inherent ability of production of large number of secretory proteins, enzymes, antimicrobial compounds, vitamins, and carotenoids specifies the importance of bacilli in food chain. Additionally, Bacillus species are gaining interest in human health-related functional food research coupled with their enhanced tolerance and survivability under hostile environment of gastrointestinal tract. Besides, bacilli are more stable during processing and storage of food and pharmaceutical preparations, making them more suitable candidate for health-promoting formulations. Further, Bacillus strains also possess biotherapeutic potential, which is connected with their ability to interact with the internal milieu of the host by producing variety of antimicrobial peptides and small extracellular effector molecules. Nonetheless, with proposed scientific evidences, commercial probiotic supplements, and functional foods comprising of Bacillus species had not gained much credential in general population, since the debate over probiotic vs pathogen tag of Bacillus in the research and production terrains is confusing consumers.